blessing S&B family. You don't know two-time Grammy artist Shabba Ranks. Don't know losing mother a couple of hours ago. So don't know from the S&B family we are say R.I.P. You see it. Because soul rest in peace and big up Shabba Ranks and just tell him to go easy and thing. I don't know. I can read something what we say over social media and them thing that them send a message and condolence to Shabba and his family. You see it? Yeah, man. Just wish the artist more blessing and love. You see it?
Yeah, man, so I'm going to read something when I see off of social media because you don't know, this is a very sad loss, so we have to upload something off it so we can send our message from our family. So just go and keep strong. We know when people pass off and things, we not like hear that still, but go and keep strong for mama. Two-time Grammy-winning dancehall artist Shabba Ranks is mourning the death of his mother, Christie, popularly known as Mama Christie. The hard-working mother of 7 children was reportedly 81 years old when she passed away on Tuesday. Word of her death spread like wildfire on social media. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Oliver Grange, expressed deep sadness at the passing of Christie. Several persons, including dancehall star Dexter Daps, tweeted their condolences on Instagram today. Shabba would talk about Mama Christie at every opportunity he got. She was a beautiful soul who supported her son in all his endeavors. She was his biggest cheerleader. In fact, it was Shabba's public display of love and affection that led to so many younger artists singing about their mothers, Grange said. She was someone I knew very well. To hear of her passing is devastating. Grange, in her private professional capacity, managed Shabba Ranks for many years and helped to push him. Mama Christie was a very well-loved person. Grung Godzilla took to Instagram and commented, "Condolence goes out to Shabba Ranks official and his family on the passing of his mother, the well-beloved Mama Christie. Rest well, Auntie Sad Street." King Beanie Man said, sending condolence to Shabba Ranks and family. It's not going to be easy, at no point, but try to stay strong. Blessings and guidance. Dexter Daps also said, "I don't know why, God. I'm heartbroken. Mama, why? This is not happening. This is so sad." So these are a few of the people and the artists that send out their love and condolence to Shabba and his family. It is very sad to hear this because every day you get up, you never know who might be there, you never know who might be gone. Don't it, Bonez?
Yeah, man. I don't know. Dexter that them I go feel it away, you know, for all of them rise from the same community from Seaview, Bounty Killer, same way. So they don't know as a music family, they know that lady they well. So don't know.
Just keep strong.
But just keep strong and just go and hold it, you see me?
It's not easy to lose a loved one, especially a mother.
Yeah, man, and the other day, Beanie Man, I lose him mother too, so don't know how it go.
It didn't say, well, we don't know if she was sick or anything, or she just slept away or anything. It didn't say. I didn't read any part of that, but as my second condolence goes out to all the family, our friends, our family, all our loved ones, our close friends, or everybody. Just go and pray for the family, because this is not an easy road, isn't it? We all can there today and tomorrow we're gone. So make sure you pray every day and just keep strong. Because your mama gonna live for Sunday. So you have to go just stay strong now, Shabba. Now make mama proud, said we. And Shabba, why you go and stir mama pot same way, you know. Why you make her heart smile and she smile and feel good about everything same way. She might gone, but she still a go look down upon you every day and say, "My son that." And she watch over you and guide you and protect you. So just
And
go and keep strong.
We know so the people them go full up out of airport when Shabba forward. Any airport in forward. Traffic jam.
I could have moved up at Kingston here, so place like a pack. Cause you know Mama Christie well be known already.
And no matter what go on, you know that funeral they go up. People like, whoa, I got there.
If no matter if a corona or what. But you see me, we have to make Mama proud, see me. We still have to send off Mama in a good way. So just keep safe and just go and hold the faith in a Shabba. You don't know.
Whole Shabba family, everybody from Seaview.
Big up Seaview Gardens, the whole of Seaview.
The whole of the artist family, them. Every artist, everybody who drop out sense here. Just go and hold it, every family, you know, it's a part of life and thing.
It might come early for some people, but you don't know, we're not going to expect that. You see me, and we can't question God, but
yeah, man.
She there in a safe place right now. I look down upon her and she feel good right now.
Yeah, man.
So
she
just
proud of herself and proud of her family, so she comfortable. So Jah ready for her. Just wanna Jah work still.
Yeah, man. Just keep it faith. Go and hold it. You know, hold it for crying and heartbreak and everything. I know, say mama that, but you don't know.
And all our mama you them big up on yourself, seeing we might not know the name and thing, God picking them seeing we.
Auntie, uncle, brother,
everybody
sister,
just go and hold it as it.
Everybody. If she have a husband, big up him, see me and go and hold it.
Yeah, man.
I say going a part of life, you know. We have to just go and wise up and live with life every day like it's the last.
Yeah, you give me a wonderful son. Yeah, we can dance the whole hit song for him.
You don't know, a Shabba always as a hit song and a Shabba always as a dancing. You know, everyone a Shabba tune them put out, they can dance to it.
Ting-a-ling.
You can't tell me, say, sometimes you see Mama run back and listen to me. I say, my son song.
You know, so she has stir up a partner Dexter that video, man.
What you mean? Mama proud of you same way, man. So I just no watch no man. No.
And people, if you don't know Mama, just check out Dexter that video and see her night, see him.
Yeah, man, we see it, Mama Christie.
Yeah.
So big up everybody, you know. Enough love and respect, and I see. And I never know when death can forward, so I just live on a life.
And remember, if you're not first time subscriber or first time viewer or whatever,
just please subscribe to our channel, because we have enough content to go push out for you.
Hit the like button.
Yeah, man, we can share out the video and share it out too, because we never know so this happen until we go on Instagram. So enough people not gonna know what happened.
Yeah, man, share it, people can know, man.
Yeah, man, respect for everybody who come check out that video, yeah. And then make sure you follow up on Instagram, you see me?
And check out your other YouTube page, Rohan and Shelly.
Yeah, man, we have our next YouTube channel. It's called Rohan and Shelly, so you can check it out. Check me out over there, so over there we'll link. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. Big up.
Cause we've been told cast away, our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known.